okay, we get it. The Met's amazing, but enough of the Met and let's talk about the Mat. My name is Matthew Cohen with Brown Harris Stevens, and this is 1025 Fifth Avenue. Let's check it out.
You know, being an Upper East Side resident and having sold many apartments along Fifth Avenue, it is so hard to find one that is completely got renovated. Until now. And who doesn't love an open kitchen? I mean, hey friends, hey family, and cooking while you're watching the football, sports, I mean, White Lotus. And let's not forget the high-end appliances. Miele dishwasher, 6-top Miele stove. Oh, this is heavier than I remembered. And a huge Gaggenau fridge. And what about this dining area? I mean, perfect for a dinner party with all your friends. And they actually promised they'd come this time. Isn't that great? And one thing this apartment has a lot of is closet space and an abundance of pocket doors. I really love some leather. And this pocket door for all your work from home needs. And then there's these pocket doors. Ooh. And then there's these pocket doors. And a little Studio 54 action in the bathroom. And where else do you get a full-size washer-dryer on Fifth Avenue? Ooh, wait, actually I'm a little cold.